Okay, I wanted to share with you guys a little a product that I bought a few pieces of off of Amazon. Um, Actually, I have under this bag. This is the same brand, Vevor. This is a motorcycle lift for a not a street bike that has exhaust under the frame, for more for like dirt bikes and dual sports and stuff. But you can crank the bike up off the ground, work on it. I have this. I have some other Vevor stuff. I'd have to look through and see what all I have. But I've been wanting a power grease gun for a while, and I've had pretty good luck with Vevor. It's all been shockingly better quality than what I expected from Amazon sourced, China built products. So what I did, I loaded this up with Kubota grease. I kind of like have decided I'm just going to use all one grease for everything. I don't care what it is. It's going to get the Kubota. Let me grab it here. This stuff right here. This is the Kubota, the high performance moly lithium all purpose heavy duty grease. So whatever that is. State-of-the-art extreme pressure multi-purpose lithium complex with NLGI number 2 grease, 0 degree Fahrenheit to 350. So this is going to go into all of my mowers and my tractor and just anything that I need to grease. Screw it, it's going to get black grease. That's just how it's going to be. Similar to oil, any grease is better than no grease. So anyways, I just wanted to show you this thing. So this is the Vevor, Vevor, Vevor brand electric grease gun. So it comes with a 20 volt 2 amp hour battery, a charger, a hard case, the gun, the really long flex hose. Now I put a Saker. This is one of those clamp on or clip on, quick release grease nipple things. So this thing, you put the shoulder strap on. It also has a light, as you see there. There's a, let's see here, there's a button right here. That's your light on and off. This is a lock for the trigger. I guess if you were maybe filling a cylinder up on a like a track skid steer, and you just had to pump the cylinder with grease to tension your track, maybe you would use that for most of the stuff I do. I'm just going to give it like a 2-second squeeze. See a little bit of grease bulge, I'm done, I'm good. Keep it wet, that's all I care about. So I'll put a link in this for you. But like I said, I've been very impressed with Vevor, and God bless me. So far, everything that I bought from them works and continues to work. So let's see here, I'm gonna try to clamp on bifocals. Can't judge depth at all. Why can I not get on? Glad my wife's not here, she would have some words about that. No, I can't. Is there a trick to these things? By the way, this Saker, this is the first time I've ever had one. And I don't know if there's a trick to them or what the heck they are. But I would have thought the opposite. Look, when I pulled this lever, I would have thought this would have came out and spread. But it definitely does not, unless, it doesn't look like it spreads in either. Do you guys know about these things? Have you ever bought this Saker Saker grease? No. Okay, there, I just didn't push it on far enough. 1, 2, 3. Boy, I don't see grease. Oh, yep, I do see grease on the bottom there. Okay. Alright, so we shot grease in there. Looked like it was under a lot of pressure, because when I popped it off, you see I got a whole ton of grease bulged out of here. So I might have to take that apart and try to figure out why that spindle on this John Deere. I bought this thing used, by the way, last year with a blown engine for $200. It's an LA 125. Probably overpaid for it, but it was something for me to do in the winter. So took it apart and machined the crankshaft down and the bottom sump case. Machined all that stuff down. Replaced seals and made a new bearing out of brass. My buddy Perry Seaman did that. He has a machine shop at his house that he could do all that, and it's not a, I'm sure it's not what he chooses or would desire to do at this time, but he's a good friend and he helped me out there to get this engine back together because I couldn't have done it without a machine shop. But I got it together. My wife and I bought a camp up in Tynesta, PA area, north of Interstate 80, and last year I used push mower to do it, and it's a half acre, it's 0.466 acre, and it's actually a fair amount of push mowing. I'm not used to push mowing. I ride, I have tractors, garden tractors, zero turns, stuff like that. So this is gonna spoil me up at camp. I have around $300 total in it with all the parts and everything done. So hopefully it'll last a couple years at least. But I wanted to share with you about Vevor, whatever, however you say it. If you see that brand on Amazon, I have an opinion on the brand in that it's at the really high quality end of the cheap shit, if that makes sense, right? Like there's a lot of cheap shit that's just cheap shit. It's not even usable. It's just garbage. Vevor is absolutely not garbage. It is trying to pretend to be like sort of DeWaltish quality or something. I wouldn't, okay, I'm not going to go there. Let's say Ryobi, stuff like that, right? It feels good in the hand, it feels sturdy, well built, thick, heavy, strong, structurally sound. It always works. So there's plenty of garbage that I've gotten on Amazon that was just garbage, and that's my point. So if you see Vevor, whatever, you don't have to be afraid of it. It's okay. It's good stuff. It's somewhat of a bargain too. It's good, cheap stuff. So, hey, thanks, man. Talk to you all later.